Hi, this is Yogesh Giri, founder and CEO, Total Sourcing Solutions. We fondly call her TSS. Total Sourcing Solutions was set up in April 1996. While the company was set up, we accidentally met Bank of America. It just so happened that a colleague of mine made me meet the head of HR, and there we figured out that the company is looking forward to an outsourcing company which can handle the HR operations for them. And we were looking for an opportunity. This became a convenient marriage. The journey began, and for first 2 years we were struggling a lot because other than Bank of America, everyone was looking at the confidential data of theirs, not an opportunity. However, our time came when we successfully delivered to Bank of America, and the word spread, because of which we started getting inquiries. And by year 2000, we got several clients. The era of desktop software solutions went off. The era of cloud-based software came in, and we met Pocket HRMS at that point of time, and we realized that Pocket HRMS could be the product which can help us out in our needs. And there was a demo organized, and we found that yes, Pocket HRMS fits our bill. The partnership began. There are several customers which are now signed up, and these customers are of medium and large size. The advantage of Pocket HRMS is that they give you the customization, and the need of the clients is different. Some need particular kind of customization which suits them. Therefore, Pocket HRMS we found as an able AE who could professionally handle the customization and seamlessly did the work for various customers. We have the feedback from our customers. They are happy, we are happy, and the other aspect is leave and attendance module. Everyone went through the corona effect, and we found that leave and attendance module worked very well for those employees who preferred working from home, and it became easy for all of us to handle the PFP. Similarly, the PMS is also another module which is there in the bucket, and those customers who are interested in the technology of Pocket HRMS, I highly recommend them because we are using it for so many years successfully. I wish all the best to Pocket HRMS as well as TSS. Thank you.